Cliff, because I actually have an older show. It's called The Awesome Dad Show that people still listen to. I don't actively produce for The Awesome Dad Show anymore, but when I start hearing about these ideas, again, people are still finding it out of nowhere and listening to it. So the idea of maybe combining forces, leveraging different audiences, finding crossover seems really, really great.
Two or three ideas for you there, Mark. Number one, go drop one brand new episode into the feed. One brand new episode, might be the first episode you've done in 3 years, doesn't matter. Just drop a brand new episode that is nothing more than saying, hey, if you're listening to this as a result of checking out the archives, I just want to let you know, here's what I would recommend that you follow next. Yeah. Second thing, if you're with a media host that allows media ad insertions, you can record a 30-second advertisement call to action to your main whatever it is and have that automatically inserted into the beginning, the middle, and or the end of all those old episodes. That just every single episode gets one. Right. And worst case scenario, if you don't have ad insertion, just go find 15 or 20 of your most popular episodes from that old feed, download or go get the original recordings, manually change the file to add a call to action at the beginning and at the end of those episodes and replace those episodes with the new recordings.
Yep. Yeah, I mean, this is gas. Definitely something to be doing. I love the idea about the dynamic ad insertions. I'm all about saving time. And listen, y'all, you can save your own time by going to cliffravenscraft.com and check out all the podcast and great stuff that Cliff is creating. Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here, we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media. Peace.